Conjugation of group 3 verbs in Japanese. Mas form is a polite present future form of the verb. Te form is used for connecting actions or forming progressive tenses. Te form, dictionary form, base form of the verb used in informal speech and in dictionaries. Anai shimasu, anai shite, anai suru, guide, show around. Onten shimasu, onten shite, onten suru, drive. Kaimono shimasu, kaimono shite, kaimono suru, go shopping. Kimasu, kite, kuru, come. Kekkon shimasu, kekkon shite, kekkon suru, marry. Kengaku shimasu, kengaku shite, kengaku suru, tour, observe for study. Kenkyo shimasu, kenkyo shite, kenkyo suru, research. Copy shimasu, copy shite, copy suru, copy. Sanpo shimasu, sanpo shite, sanpo suru, take a walk. Zangyo shimasu, zangyo shite, zangyo suru, work overtime. Shore shimasu, shore shite, shore suru, repair. Shochu shimasu, shochu shite, shochu suru, go on a business trip. Shokai shimasu, shokai shite, shokai suru, introduce. Shukoji shimasu, shukoji shite, shukoji suru, have a meal. Shinpai shimasu, shinpai shite, shinpai suru, worry. Shimasu, shite, suru, do. Setsume shimasu, setsume shite, setsume suru, explain. Sentaku shimasu, sentaku shite, sentaku suru, do laundry. Soji shimasu, soji shite, soji suru, clean. Chorite kimasu, chorite kite, chorite kuru, bring someone. Denwa shimasu, denwa shite, denwa suru, make a phone call. Hikoshi shimasu, hikoshi shite, hikoshi suru, move to a new house. Benkyou shimasu, benkyou shite, benkyou suru, study. Motte kimasu, motte kite, motte kuru, bring something. Yoyaku shimasu, yoyaku shite, yoyaku suru, reserve, make a reservation. Ryugaku shimasu, ryugaku shite, ryugaku suru, study abroad. Renshu shimasu, renshu shite, renshu suru, practice. Nai form is a negative form of the verb. It is used to say that something does not happen. Ta form is the past form of the verb, indicating that the action has happened or was done. Anai shinai, anai shita, show around, show the way. Onten shinai, onten shita, drive. Kaimono shinai, kaimono shita, do shopping. Kunai, kita, come. Kekkon shinai, kekkon shita, marry, get married. Kingaku shinai, kingaku shita, visit a place for study. Kenkyu shinai, kenkyu shita, do research. Kopi shinai, kopi shita, copy. Sanpo shinai, sanpo shita, take a walk in a park. Zangyo shinai, zangyo shita, work overtime. Shinai shita, do. Shuri shinai, shuri shita, repair. Shuchu shinai, shuchu shita, go on the business trip. Shokai shinai, shukai shita, introduce. Shukoji shinai, shukoji shita, have a meal, dine. Shinpai shinai, shinpai shita, worry. Setsume shinai, setsume shita, explain. Sentaku shinai, sentaku shita, wash clothes. Soji shinai, soji shita, clean a room. Tsurite konai, tsurite kita, bring someone. Denwa shinai, denwa shita, phone. Hikoshi shinai, hikoshi shita, move house. Benkyou shinai, benkyou shita, study. Motte kunai, motte kita, bring something. Yoyaku shinai, yoyaku shita, reserve book. Yogaku shinai, yogaku shita, study abroad. Renshu shinai, renshu shita, practice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!